Hey guys, welcome to CJ Vlogs, and today we are gonna do a Dbrand grip review.
What we do here is go back.
Before we start, here's a quick unboxing of the Dbrand grip. It comes with the skin that you ordered it with. Inside you'll find your grip and a very cool evolution card. You can pull out your grip and get a grip on your life. Needless to mention, the grip comes with perfect cutouts for your phone. And because of its carbon composite frame, it's so light you won't feel any weight. So let's talk about what the grip has to offer. First of all, if you see closely, the frame of the case is made with a carbon composite. It's not D3O, but the top and the bottom layer and the corners are all filled with the patented material D3O that Dbrand claims is the most advanced shock absorbing technology on the planet. That's one point. And the other thing is, it's got a slightly raised upper lip around the camera bump to protect that camera bump, because they know that this is the reason why people buy iPhone 10. It's because of that 4K 60 FPS, that smooth slider switch. It's got a very tactile feel to it. Even the buttons are not mushy. They're made of the same D3O material and they're very tactile. This is how the case looks on an iPhone 10 with a custom skin from Dbrand. Now Dbrand does recommend you only use the skin that comes into the box with the Dbrand grip and your order, but you can use it with any of the custom skins that are available from dbrand.com. This is a custom skin that I ordered weeks before I had the grip, and it fits perfectly well with my Dbrand grip. So let's talk a little more about the case. The case feels nice. It does add a little bit of width to your phone. So if you're just a big fan of sleek cases, then this is not the case for you. But then again, you ordered the grip for the grip and the protection, and it delivers in both of these departments. What I'm trying to say here is, once you have the grip in your hand, you feel a certain bit of confidence that the phone is not gonna break when it drops out of your hand accidentally. Now don't get me wrong, I have not tested the Dbrand grip for a drop test on my iPhone 10 because it's a $1,000 phone and my channel has like 360 subscribers and I'm not even being paid by YouTube to make this video. But that's all gonna change today. We're gonna do a drop test in this video and see if it survives. Hey guys, welcome to CJ Vlogs, and today we are doing a Dbrand grip drop test with the iPhone 10. I'm gonna be dropping this purely awesome iPhone 10 in this purely awesome Dbrand grip today and find out if it breaks the screen or not. I'm dropping the Dbrand grip now in 3, 2, 1. I can't believe myself. For a moment there, my heart was fluttering so hard, but I think the grip took most of the impact out of the drop. I can't see any damage to the phone. Nice, it looks kind of nice. Let's check the slow-mo cam and see what it got. In 3, 2, 1. Phone is still intact. I mean, it's unbelievable. The shock absorbing technology of the Dbrand is really working, and I'm like fairly confident with the phone hitting face first now. So let's just try that as well and get it over with. So the screen drop test of iPhone 10 encased in Dbrand grip, starting in 3, 2, and 1. Bye bye, buddy. Bye bye, buddy. And let me just take this out for you guys. This is the screen after the drop test and the phone. Everything is just fine. Everything works. No problem whatsoever at all. Hey there, gorgeous. All in all, guys, this concludes our Dbrand grip drop test and review. Dbrand has not paid me to do this drop test or make this video, but in my humble opinion, if you want to save your $1,000 plus investment, the Dbrand grip is the only way to go. It's not too bulky, it doesn't add that much of a weight to your phone. It protects your investment from brutal drops all year round, and plus you can customize it from the skins from dbrand.com. They're totally compatible with the grip. So that's it for the video, guys. Do hit like and share this video with all your friends and subscribe for more content like this. This is CJ Vlogs signing out. God, peace!